Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to subtract mixed numbers, and you can see the example here we've got is 4 and 2 ninths minus 2 and 1/3. Now later on you'll find out that this is one of the more difficult type of problems because we end up subtracting a bigger fraction from a smaller fraction. We'll see that in a moment or two. Now the first step that we take is to separate the whole numbers from the fractional numbers, so we end up with 4 minus 2 plus 2 over 9 minus 1 over 3. Now, 4 minus 2 just gives 2, and we're still left with the 2 over 9 take away 1 over 3. Now, so at this point we need to get the 1 over 3 with the same denominator as the 2 over 9. Now the easiest way to do that is to multiply top and bottom by 3. So 3 times 1 gives 3, 3 times 3 gives 9. Now you can see that we've got 2 plus 2 over 9 minus 3 over 9. And it's at this point here we can see that we are taking a big fraction away from a smaller fraction. 3 over 9 is bigger than 2 over 9, and this is where people sometimes get a mistake here because everybody feels that they've got to subtract the smaller thing away from the bigger thing, so they end up taking the 2 over 9 away from the 3 over 9 to get 1 over 9. We'll see in a moment what we do actually get, but I want to pause for a second just to have a look at what we have here in terms of the fractions as shapes. Now you can see the shaded area here is 1/3 of the full circle, but you'll also see that it is made up from 3 ninths. So what we're saying is 1/3 here is equal to 3 ninths. Quite often it's helpful to look at a diagram like this in order to understand what is going on with fractions. Now the next step is we subtract the 3 ninths from the 2 ninths, and you'll notice I end up with a negative number here. If I take 3 ninths away from 2 ninths, I'm going to get minus 1 ninth, and 1 ninth taken away from 2 will give us 1 and 8 ninths. That concludes this video. Thanks for listening.